StephAndMannie. I'm doing a video on something I found out the hard way with my GoPro. I have the GoPro 7 white. Started doing videos and then I noticed that I had two bars, black bars, one on this side, one on that side, which doesn't bother too many people, but for editing and everything else and posting it on YouTube, it's kind of a little burden. So found out a way how to do it. So I figured maybe somebody else would need help for it. So I'll do a video. All right, so what you want to do is swipe up. Well, swipe down, sorry about that. Swipe down, bring your menu, go to preference. Go to preference, then go to default. You want to go to default. And then what you want to change is the resolution. It's at 1440. You want to change it to 1080. As you can see, it's almost like a block, a square, I would say. This one does not have 4K capability. The white one does not, but everything above it does. What you want to do is hit 1080 and make sure it's blue. Make sure it says 1080. And now when you record, you will have the full normal screen, like a widescreen, 16:9. Hopefully that'll help you out if you guys run into the same problem. Glad I could help. If you guys enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments. Give us a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you guys wouldn't mind. Have a good one.